You can file taxes electronically for free in the US, and I'm going to show you 3 options. So the first option is using the IRS Direct File, which is only available in supported states, and you can check that by typing IRS Direct File in the search and click on the first link. And if it's available, it's supported in your state, otherwise it's not supported. This one is usually good for W-2 income, standard deduction, and basic credits or simple returns. The second option is using the IRS Free File, and you can access that by going to irs.gov, click on File, and then Individuals. And then you want to click on File your taxes for free online. And then you can either use a guided software, which is approved by the IRS, or you can manually use the fillable forms. And the free file program is usually available if your income is below a certain threshold and your return is relatively straightforward. Otherwise, the third option is the free tax software providers. And some popular options or tax software providers are the TurboTax, which is turbotax.intuit.com. And there is also HR Block. And there is also Free Tax USA. So you can choose which one you want to use. Some of these software providers might charge you for state return, self-employment income, investments, and itemized deductions. And what you will need before filing is usually you'll need to prepare your W-2 forms, your 1099 forms, and your SSN or Social Security number, your bank account info for direct deposits, and your last year's tax return, which is optional but can be helpful. And the basic filing process is you'll usually need to create an account with a filing provider if you're using a software, and you will need to fill out your personal information, and then you'll need to add your income documents such as the W-2 and the 1099 forms, and then you would claim deductions and credits and review your errors and then e-file the return. And then you can save a confirmation email and PDF as well. And once you're done, you can track your refund after filing, usually from the IRS website. Go to irs.gov and then click on refunds. And in here, use the refund tracker. And you'll need to fill out your info and track your refund. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.